Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Snapchat device ban SS06 error. If your device is banned from using Snapchat, most of the common fixes you'll find online like cleaning cache, reinstalling the app, or even contacting support won't actually work. That's because Snapchat's ban is tied to your device hardware, possibly the IMEI number. This makes normal app troubleshooting methods useless. Even Snapchat support cannot lift a device ban as confirmed in their own help docs. So the possible workaround is if you're using a Samsung phone or any phone that supports dual apps or dual messenger, you may be able to bypass the ban. Just go to your settings, enable dual messenger, dual apps for Snapchat, then open the cloned Snapchat app. Sign in with your account. Just some users on Reddit report that this allows them to use Snapchat again despite the ban. And a pro tip, if dual apps don't work for your device, the only permanent solution may be using a different phone that isn't banned. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.